Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today about the day 7, that is revision plus quiz. So all those which I have we all so those topics which already we have discussed, right? From day 1 to day 6. Let's do some revision. Let's practice some quizzes on the topic. Okay. And the topic is the IT basics, OS file systems, networking, OSI and TCP. So day one is the IT basics, okay, which we discussed. That is the day one IT basics. So common question may arise like define IT in one line. Okay. So what should be the answer for this? Use of computers, networks and systems to process and manage information. So what do you have to do? First go check the question and first try to give answer from yourself, okay, and then go for the answers. So this will help you, to memorize the things. Are you able to, remember it? Are you able to understand or not? So it will help you. So use of computers, networks and systems to process and manage information, this is the IT definition. Second question is, which of the following is an input device? Okay. Printer, keyboard, monitor, or a speaker. So first think and then give answer. So answer will be keyboard. What is the difference between data and information? So you can see the answer. Data is the raw facts, okay, and information is the processed or meaningful data. It's a simple, just one liner. You can just remember it. Day two, it's the hardware and software which we discussed. So question arises like CPU is also known as. So as we all aware, like CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Which of the following is system software? MS Word, Windows OS, Photoshop, or Chrome? So answer will be Windows OS, Windows operating system. Okay, it is the system software. Example of open source software. The answer will be Linux, Apache, and LibreOffice. Okay. Day three operating systems we discussed. So question will be like, what are the main functions of an operating system? So answer will be like process management, memory management, file management, device management, security, and UI. So this is the main functions of an operating system. What which OS is Unix based and used in Apple devices? So those who have follow my day three operating system videos, so they can simply answer this question. It's a very basic questions. Which OS is Unix based and used in Apple devices? So answer will be Mac OS. Next question is difference between multitasking and multiprocessing. So first thing, give answer from yourself and then check your answer. Okay. answer will be multitasking means one CPU switching task. Okay, one CPU switching the task, but multiprocessing is multiple CPUs working in parallel. So this is the difference. So this is the important line, like one CPU switching task. Okay. And in multiprocessing, multiple CPU working in parallel. Day four topic was file systems and process management. So question will be raised like full form of NTFS. Okay. So answer will be like new technology file system. Next question is FAT32 is mostly used in USB drives, B Linux servers, C cloud storage, or D Mac OS only. So mostly FAT32 is mostly used in which? So it's mostly used in USB drives. Okay. What is the process in OS? So it's a running program in memory. So simply anyone can ask, like in operating system, what is the process? So a running program in memory, program is running. Okay. So this is called the process. Difference between process and thread. So process is the independent program and thread is lightweight subtask sharing resources. Okay. And process is the independent program, but thread is the lightweight subtask sharing resources. It is the subtask. So this is the difference. Day 5 is the networking fundamentals. So in this, mainly we have discussed related to the network like IP address and all. Okay. So unique identifier for a device in a network. This is called the IP address. Okay. For each device, there will be a unique address. Okay. So that's why you will be able to identify the device. Okay. So this is called the IP address. Which of the following assign IP automatically? A. DNS, B. DHCP, C. STTP, or D. FTP? It assign IP address automatically. So answer will be DHCP. Okay. DNS is used for, so answer will be it convert domain names into IP address. DNS is the domain name server. Okay. And DNS is the domain name system. So it converts the domain name into IP address like www.google.com. So it's a domain, but machine will not understand this. So first it will convert this into IP address and then you will able to go to that Google page. Okay. So this work is done by the DNS. Next question is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6. So answer will be like IPv4 32 bit and 4 billion unique addresses. Means IPv4 can generate the 4 billion unique addresses and it's a 32 bit. Okay. And IPv6 is the 128 with almost unlimited address can be generated. So this is the common difference. You can just remember it. Day 6 we discussed about the OSI and TCP/IP model. So question will be like, how many layers are in OSI model and name them? It's a simple question. Okay. So seven layers are there: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical layer. Seven layers, and these are the name of the each layers. Which layer handles routing? So answer will be network layer. Which layer in TCP/IP combines application, presentation, and system? We have discussed two models, right? OSI model and the TCP/IP model. So TCP/IP, which layer combines application, presentation, and system layer? So answer will be application layer. Application layer will combine the presentation and system layer. Okay. But in OSI model, these both layer are separate. Okay. Give a real life example of transport layer. So as already we have discussed the example of WhatsApp message. So WhatsApp ensure reliable delivery using TCP. In OSI, which layer handles encryption and compression? So presentation layer will be the answer. Okay. It handles the encryption and compression. Like in WhatsApp message, your message will be the end-to-end encrypted. So this will be done by the presentation layer. Which protocol works at transport layer? TCP, UDP, HTTP, DNS, or ARP? The answer will be TCP, UDP. Okay. Last question, I think, like difference between TCP and UDP. So answer will be T for TCP. It's a reliable and connection oriented, but UDP is the faster and no guarantee. Okay. So this is the difference between the TCP and the UDP. It's a reliable and connection oriented, but UDP is the faster and no guarantee. In TCP/IP, the bottommost layer is called network layer, data link layer, physical layer, or network access. TCP/IP. So answer will be network access layer. Okay. So that's all. So please go and revise it, all which we discussed till now. And that's all for today. If you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.